Yes, go ahead.
I have a couple questions about chewing gum.
Okay, good, very interesting.
So when I wanna stay late at night studying, I usually rely on coffee, but I've noticed that it kind of turns counterproductive. The whole thing with my health, it's not like great to take a lot of caffeine. It's not good.
Of course.
So I discovered that very strong peppermint chewing gum will do the job too without all the side effects of the coffee. But I don't know if it's problematic to be chewing gum in front of a Torah book or something. Is that allowed?
So okay, that's a good question. So you're asking if it's a disrespect. So if you don't chew opening your mouth, but the inside of your mouth, and you see the thing is that when we learn the Torah, you have to say it out loud. So if it does not bother you this gum, and it does not disturb your speech, so I would say that there is no problem because you're doing it for the sake of studying. It's not for the sake of enjoyment. I don't think this is very enjoyable, this peppermint gum, like strong one. I don't know. I mean, maybe some people like it, but it's not for enjoyment. It's for the purpose of the study. So if it does not bother you, I guess that's like if you read, for example, a few lines, and then you sit back and you're trying to understand what you just read, and you chew the gum, there is no problem whatsoever. But speaking and chewing it would be the issue. I mean, it's not proper. And plus, you can choke on this gum, chas v'shalom. Gotta be careful. And a question that would not ask, you have to say the blessing on a chewing gum, even though you're not going to swallow it, but you're going to swallow the taste. So your palate actually enjoys, and that's why you must say the blessing. Yes. Okay.
Thank you, Rabbi. Yeah, I heard too that we don't make beracha achrona on the chewing gum, only the rishona, but the achrona no, like only Yaakov. But I don't know if that's true. Actually.
Yeah. I mean, as we just said, we're just discussing this issue with the sandwich. So if person did not eat the kizai, so food, I mean bread or not bread, any food for a period of 3 to 4 up to 9 minutes, we don't say any blessing. So it's not on chewing gum. On chewing gum there is no substance. So what you swallow, only you use saliva with the taste of gum. So there is no substance. So there is no, meaning what? There is no after blessing.
Thank you, Rabbi.
Yeah.